Hello and welcome to this session, LO1. Produce an initial proposal for an investigation within an appropriate subject area. Today, we will explore how social media influences college students' study habits. This investigation examines the relationship between digital platform use and academic performance, with a focus on its effects on concentration, time management, and overall productivity. A clear and focused title is crucial for any investigation. It sets the stage for what will be examined. For instance, investigating the impact of social media use on the study habits of college students. This title directs the focus on the effects of digital platforms. It helps in structuring the entire research process. Understanding why the topic is important is essential. Social media is a major part of students' daily lives. Concerns about its impact on academics are growing. This investigation explores how it affects concentration and time management. It aims to fill gaps in current research. The aim clearly outlines the investigation's purpose. It seeks to understand social media's effect on study habits. By focusing on academic productivity, the research aims to provide insights. It addresses how digital engagement influences students. This clarity is vital for structured research. Key questions drive the investigation forward. How much time do students spend on social media daily? Does it affect their concentration when studying? Is there a link between social media use and academic performance? These questions guide data collection and analysis. Choosing the right research method is crucial. This investigation uses a quantitative approach. Data is gathered through online questionnaires targeting college students. Multiple-choice questions help quantify social media usage and study habits. This method ensures measurable and reliable data. Data collection is a vital step in research. Primary data is gathered through structured questionnaires. Google Forms is used for easy distribution and analysis. Secondary data from academic journals supports the findings. This combination provides a comprehensive view of the topic. Ethics play a critical role in research. Participation is voluntary, and withdrawal is allowed at any time. Anonymity is maintained to protect participants' privacy. Data is used solely for academic purposes. These measures ensure ethical integrity throughout the investigation. Anticipating outcomes helps shape the research. It's expected that heavy social media use reduces concentration. Time management and digital discipline may emerge as key factors. The investigation aims to highlight these impacts on academic performance. These insights can guide future research and interventions. A detailed timeline ensures the investigation stays on track. Finalizing the research topic and proposal takes 1 week. Designing the questionnaire follows in the next week. Data collection and analysis are completed in subsequent weeks. The final report is written in the last week. Selecting a relevant research area is a collaborative process. Discussions with a tutor help refine the focus. Initially, broad topics like technology's impact are narrowed down. Social media's effect on study habits emerges as a suitable area. This specificity aids in practical data collection. A clear theme and working title guide the investigation. The theme focuses on digital technology's influence on learning. Social media is chosen for its relevance and impact. The working title reflects the investigation's purpose and scope. It provides direction for research and data collection. A well-structured proposal outlines the investigation's scope. It examines social media's influence on study habits. The rationale highlights the importance of understanding digital impacts. Objectives focus on usage, frequency, concentration, and productivity. This proposal sets a clear path for research. Understanding the rationale is key to any research. It addresses concerns about digital technology's impact. The investigation explores social media's role in study habits. By examining usage patterns, it highlights potential challenges. This rationale justifies the need for further exploration. The aim provides a clear research direction. It focuses on social media's impact on study habits. Objectives detail specific areas like usage, frequency, and concentration. These elements guide the investigation towards meaningful insights. They ensure a structured approach to data collection. Theoretical frameworks underpin the investigation. Cognitive load theory explores attention and learning. Self-regulation theory highlights time management challenges. Uses and gratifications theory explains media choices. These perspectives provide a comprehensive understanding of social media's impact. Cognitive load theory is crucial for understanding learning. It explains the brain's limited capacity for processing. Interruptions from social media increase cognitive load. This affects students' ability to focus on academic tasks. Understanding this helps analyze social media's impact on study habits. Self-regulation theory is key in managing study habits. It involves controlling behavior and attention to achieve goals. Social media can disrupt this process, affecting time management. Students may struggle to balance online activities with academics. This theory highlights the importance of digital discipline. Uses and gratifications theory explains media choices. It suggests people use media to satisfy specific needs. Social media offers communication, entertainment, and information. While beneficial, excessive use can distract from academic tasks. Understanding this theory helps analyze students' media habits. Digital distraction affects concentration and learning. Frequent social media use divides attention between tasks. This multitasking reduces focus and slows academic progress. Understanding digital distraction is crucial for managing study habits. It highlights the need for strategies to minimize interruptions. This is the conclusion of the video. This investigation sheds light on social media's impact on study habits. By examining key theories and methods, we gain insights into digital influences. Understanding cognitive load and self-regulation aids in addressing challenges. The findings emphasize the importance of managing digital habits. This research contributes valuable knowledge to the academic community. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp us at 074-843-61688. Our team will be delighted to assist you. Thank you for your attention, and see you at the next session.